The OUR database is a comprehensive and regularly updated place to find research opportunities where labs are actively seeking out undergraduate students across campus throughout the year. This database encompasses a variety of disciplines, and here's where you can filter according to your research interests. Don't be afraid to branch out into fields that are completely new or distinct from your current area of study. Click here for each project you're interested in to learn more about details on the student role, funding opportunities, and more. Many projects also link to the lab's homepage where you can learn about their research and team more in depth. If the funding status is listed as undetermined or no pay, consider if you'd be willing to conduct the research for independent study or apply for funding opportunities through the office, such as UROP. Also, be sure to consider project duration and location type to determine if this would be an appropriate commitment. Once you've identified a project or mentor of interest, you can reach out at the email address provided to inquire about joining the lab. We know this can be intimidating. Please feel free to use our template on our website to help you get started. The sooner you reach out, the better, and ideally before the start of the semester you wish to begin to allow time for interviewing and certifications as necessary. We recommend reaching out to professors whose research you're interested in, regardless of if they're listed here or not. If you have any questions at any point during your research journey here, please feel free to book an advising appointment or attend Funding Friday to receive support.